high-stakes legal battles in the social media age. TikTok's future in the United States could be decided by the Supreme Court in just a few days. A law that mandates TikTok's sale by its Chinese parent company, ByteDance, is set to take effect on January 19, 2025. If the law stands, TikTok could be forced to shut down in the US, impacting over 170 million users who rely on the platform for entertainment, news, and income.
And the ADO will not be able to see any personalized feed and zero advertising in that experience. So I believe, yes, it is the appropriate experience for an ADO.
Well, then why don't you let your 8-year-old child on TikTok?
I have seen these news articles. I would like to address that. My kids live in Singapore, and in Singapore, we do not have the under 13 experience. If they lived here in the United States, I'll let them use the under 13 experience. Okay,
so you're saying it's because of the country you live in, it doesn't have the same mechanisms. Is there a reason you don't have those same mechanisms everywhere?
In principle, we want to provide, a good experience for our users in general. We don't want to monetize from people who are under 13. In the US, we are COPPA compliant, and as part of that, we were deemed as I want to get these specifics right. We were deemed as a particular type of audience.
The government argues that TikTok poses a national security threat, claiming that China could use the app to collect data on US users or spread propaganda. However, TikTok denies these claims, pointing out that there's no evidence to support the idea that China has misused user data.
Makes audience app. I want to make sure that that's right. And as a result of that, we have to provide an experience.
For millions of content creators, the shutdown of TikTok would be devastating, potentially upending their livelihoods. Creators are anxiously awaiting the court's decision, with some already eyeing other platforms in case TikTok